Thank you very much. Thank you.
Muciini wa Ciana wa Garden Home na Wakawangware guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nikuo ciana iria na mawathe na iria na mathina ma autism na Down syndrome cionete mweke itangitungana naguo kaingi kuria riu mahinguriirwo bakery ya guthomithia ciana icio urugi wa keki na indo ingi. Kurigana na Moses Dongo uria niwe murugamiri munene wa thukuru uyu kaingi riria ciana ici itiganagirio itare na kothi o yothe thengia uhoti munene uria makoragwo naguo.
Given an opportunity ili waweze kutambulika katika community hata kama ni kwa ma industry zetu, ma companies, ili pia hawa watoto wetu waweze kupata nafasi.
Ndung'u akahoya ciana ici heo mweke wa kuonania kiria mangihota gwika.
Wajengea darasa na also mahali watakuwa wanafanya their skills kama kutengeneza keki na kuwafunza kutumia mikono yao ili kufanya kazi.
There is no one who is 100% dependent. Every kid with special needs, there is that something unique that they are able to do. So with time, you give them enough time and training, you take them step by step, they are able to do most of the things.
Nyingi ciacio ikerikana kwaga kothi o yothe muturire-ini wacio undu ria utigaga ingi makiara ruhi muturire-ini wao wothe.
It is a tart baking business, so it's not very complicated bake tarts. It is very procedural, so there is like a formula.
Naomba usimfiche huyu mtoto kwa nyumba. Mlete hapa shuleni, tutakusaidia kumtunza, tutamuelimisha na ukimpata pale nyumbani itakuwa rahisi kwako.
Kurigana na Alvin Nyong uria wirutire kunyitirira muci uyu uhoti uria muingi ni uria utaumukanagio hari aria mari na mawathe o nginya riria maheo mweke wa kwigira na kothi.
What are you training these special needs children for? How can you bring them up to a point where they can really, for real, achieve some kind of self-reliance, independence? So that was the idea behind Thoughtfully Yours.
Aciari ciana iria na mawathe matongoretio ni Anwarwe makagathiriria mweke uyu makiugweta ta undu ucenjetie nyingi cia ciana ici.
Nore ingenda kuhimiza mundu wina mwana special ndakagerie kuigua shame, ndakagerie kwihitha tondu ithuĩ twanerwo ni cast, twanerwo ni thiucarie kwa nyuria gutarie, no reke ngwire macio no maumbire maria mundu ekorire namo.
Ningĩ ritana ria kwagaga kuhitha aria mari na mawathe ni rirutitwo kuri aciari riu makihoya gutigagirira ciana ciao ni ciamukira mathomo maria magiriire.
Ukagerie kumuhitha witikire maundu ndorero guikirio, no by the end of the day wacemania na mwarimu ta Snyder kana ungikorwo wina ngoro ya kwenda mwana ucio no ugie kihuruko ta kiria umuthi unie ndi nakio. Mwana the 1 year athira January na kwina progress inene muno.
Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV retera kwa ni Bataro wa Mwangi.